I am Bruce Grammon, the Technical Support Specialist for Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics. I get a lot of calls from people asking if we can work on their 155, 165, and A-series radios. A lot of times it's due to somebody having a problem with the display. We do more than that as well. We can take care of if you have squelch issues or VOR issues or anything else, all taken care of in the lab. So I thought it'd be a little fun today. It's been a while since people's been around or seen our facility, so I thought it'd be a little fun if we took a tour, went down and see if those guys are working on a radio, and maybe we can catch one in process and see how we do things around here. Most of these units, when they're sent in for repair, they're in pretty bad shape. Customers had them, they've had them in their airplane for quite a while. They're pretty dirty. You get laminates, these will start to delaminate. Some of them get bubbled, hard to see. So that's part of our process, is updating also the bezel and cleaning the unit. So when you get your unit back, it's just like brand new. You always wonder too about my display and why my display and stuff starts to look bad. Most of the time it's because you got a display in here that has actually gas in it. And what happens is the gas starts to go away after time. And when that happens, you start seeing some of these digits start getting kind of crazy. You'll see some flashing and you'll see some other digits. One good way you could see if it's a gas charge. See this little thing right there? That is the photocell. So if you put your finger over the photocell, all of a sudden you start seeing everything going crazy. It's a pretty good indication that you're going to need a new LED upgrade on the unit. But so when these units come in, they've been well used. So our process here is to completely go through the units and do whatever needs to make sure the units are taken care of. So when this unit is completed, it has your new LED upgrade, the new capacitors, everything's cleaned up and ready to go. What we do now is it runs to a full test on our testing equipment. Once the test sheet is completely filled out and the unit is aligned to manufacturer spec, then it's taken to another technician. He tests it, makes sure it's all good, part of our quality process. Then we take the final product that looks like this and we go over to our quality department, and that's the good part. That's where it's been shipped to you. Thanks for following me over. This is our inspection department. This is where all the magic happens. This is a special place, man. This is where they take care of you and everything in here. Everything that comes through this facility comes through here. These guys work hard for you. So just again, I wanted to show you that this is the product when it came in the door. This is what you're getting when it comes out the door. Now you talk about quality. The quality is inside, but also it looks great for you.